Alright guys, what we're looking at today is this Restore and Restyle airplane ceiling fan. If it's not branded Restore and Restyle, I believe this is made by Westinghouse. Either way, I believe this is a 46-inch fan. Maybe it's a little bigger, a little smaller, but I'm gonna guess 46 inches to at largest 48. I got this from Restore. It is a whopping 4 degrees outside, so why not make a fan video? Here it is. That mounting bracket is not original, so the canopy doesn't fit on it correctly. So anyway, let's get started. Here's low. This thing goes way too fast. And it's already moving quite a bit of air. So yeah, I'll go to medium. When I got this fan, I never would have expected it to even go this fast, especially for medium. If this were high speed, that would make the most sense, but it gets only faster from here. All right, let's crank it. Very good fan. All right, it is freezing in here, so thanks for watching.